Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Duolingo. And you have already selected an avatar. You cannot really change your profile picture using your mobile application, and what's gonna be available only is to change your avatar. So you cannot really change it to a picture from your phone. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do this exactly. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to open your Duolingo on your computer or even on your browser on your phone. Then after opening your email, go to profile. Then as you can see here, you can click on this icon. Then add profile picture, click on choose file. Then now you have the ability to upload any photo that you have, not just normal avatars from the application. Now I can choose whatever picture I want. And that's all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.